guys, look what I got at Harbor Freight today. I got a brand new workbench.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, sure, I'd like to see that. Well, let's get it out of the box and start putting it together. Oh, yeah, I'd like that idea a lot.
Well, that's a pretty good idea.
Okay, squawk. Let's get started. Oh, I don't know about these directions here. Yeah, sure, they don't look so good. I think they may be in Norwegian or something. Squawk! Turn them around. I think they're upside down. Oh, I see what you're saying. Let's turn it around. Oh, yeah, there we go. I think I see how to read them now. Oh, you're so smart. That's why you're the professor. Squawk! Okay, I guess we gotta get started here then. Well, looks like it was done. Squawk! Hey, get out of my way. So yeah, sure, it looks like it's pretty well done. And I think George did all the work, 'cause he's over there. He's pretty tired. He's not talking this morning. But look, it turned out pretty good. We're really happy with it. Yeah. It's got some nice drawers and nice wood. Squawk! Get out of the way, you. So, thanks for watching. It wasn't too hard to put together. Just take your time. We use glue on everything too, so if you want to do that, it might make it a little more solid. We also added those wheels at the bottom. Squawk! Those are called casters. Yeah, casters, right. So we put those on there, and we also put a little electrical strip right over there. See it? Where there it is, right there. That's a little electrical strip we put on. So have fun with yours. We think it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye.